The MyCitroën app enables you to stay connected to your car and access key information about your Citroën via your smartphone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use this perfect companion for your Citroën. Let's start with the home page. From here, you'll be able to see essential data about your car. Handy stats like fuel level, average consumption and mileage are all displayed here. You can also easily search and contact a local Citroën retailer or workshop, or our customer care team. This means you have a quick and easy way of making an appointment or asking for a quote at your preferred retail store. You can also find locations, opening times, and available services. The maintenance section allows you to see a history of any service, MOT, or maintenance appointments that have taken place. The MyCitroën app will also provide maintenance reminders directly to your mobile device. Similar to the homepage, you can contact a Citroën retailer to carry out your maintenance or repair. You can book an appointment online and add to the app once confirmed. This enables you to have an electronic service history at your fingertips. With the MyCitroën app, you can stay connected to your car wherever you are. Details about your journeys can be found in just one click. You'll have full access to your dashboard and can use time filters to display any of your previous journeys. This enables you to pick out a specific journey and obtain information such as duration, distance, average speed, fuel consumption, and cost. When you add the latest fuel prices in your area, this becomes even more accurate. The usability and practicality doesn't end there. You can also create categories to choose your type of journey. This helps distinguish whether you are on a business or a leisure trip. Having access to this kind of information is a great way to optimize your driving. In the car section, you can see the VIN number and the mileage of your car, or access to connected services. If you receive an alert on your car's dashboard, and you're not sure what it corresponds to, this is where you can find all the information you need about warning lights. You can discover when the issue was detected, details, and how to fix. Simply click on the symbol displayed to find an explanation. The full vehicle handbook is also available alongside useful video tutorials on how to get the most out of your Citroën.
Citroën.